Tesla on the monthly. Let's take a look real quick. So if you're looking left, you can see lots of little wicks right here. We wicked down, pushed back up. It's a significant level to kind of keep in mind. And it's that 288, 290 that we've been talking about for like weeks now. But this range where these wicks are, we've got this double bottom right here. We've got these little tiny monthly candles. There's a lot of room right through here for us to either chop or bounce. So this range down here is this 267 to 271 area, and that's about where we came down this last week, right down to 272. So this is an area we can definitely push. If you look left where I'm holding the cursor, this is where we came down. So let's see if we can hold, or are we going to head on down in March and test this 264, 250 area? We do have some support right through here at this 260 to be mindful of. So let's just see what happens. But for now, Tesla had a significant drop from that high back in December. So looking at the weekly chart, again, we've got some support right through here on the weekly. So this 260 to 269 area could be our bounce zone. We just have to be patient and see how the market, or what Tesla does and how the market moves. But this is the first trend line on the weekly that I'm going to be watching for a break above. So this target right here of 330 for this week, I would love to see us retest this trend line and potentially break, but we are probably not yet done with our downside. So we could have some more pushes lower. Been saying for a while now we needed a relief bounce. We have just dumped and dumped and dumped. So looking at the daily, you can see that this 304 is our target to break above. That would be the first one to break this smaller trend line right through here to get some momentum to the upside. We could pull back, test it, and reject and head back down once again. What I wanted to look at on the daily chart is we do have two older gap fills right through here that have not been filled yet. So we could head on down and fill those gaps. The last one ends about that 218 area. That is a significant drop from where we started. Let's just see level to level. We just take it all the way down. Looking at the 4 hour, this is where you can see really clearly that we have not changed structure. Our structure is definitely stair-stepping down the whole way, right? We just continue to step lower. So just because we're starting to pull up, we may get a little bit of a relief bounce before we see more downside. But right now, our structure is definitely very, very bearish, even if we get that pull a little bit higher this coming week. So 289, we need to hold above 289 if we're going to continue to head higher. But if we break 289, it's just going to be a bounce, and then we head on down for more downside. So Tesla, you just have to be patient because at some point we will bounce again, but we just slowly add leaps all the way down.